Hi Randolph County, this is Michaela Stewart here tuning in from my apartment on lockdown. How are you guys doing? Are you hanging in there? So I am here because I am going to be posting STEM activities that we could do at home together. So I am going to be finding things around the house that I can use for science experiments that I want you guys to recreate as well at home. So these science experiments should be relatively easy because there are items that you can find at home, and they're something that with a parent you can probably accomplish as well. So once this is all done, I want to see you guys recreate the science experiment and post a video about it showing how you did it as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for today's science experiment, all you will need is one bottle. So with this bottle, we are going to be creating a cloud in a bottle. So the first thing you need to do is you need to loosen your bottle cap just a little bit and twist slightly the bottle, not all the way, because we want to keep the air in the bottle. So I just like to do this for myself because it can be kind of hard twisting a all the way full water bottle full of air. So next, after you have it like this, you want to make sure that that cap is tight. And what we're going to do now is we're going to twist like so. And what you're going to be feeling is now all the air is right here at the front of this water bottle. The back of your water bottle should be twisted shut and it should be very tight. So this is what your water bottle should look like. It should be very stiff and full of air. Okay, now that our bottles are ready, let's see if we can get our clouds. Here we go. Woo! That's scary. We did it. We made our very own cloud in a bottle. But how did we do this? What made the cloud come out of the tip of this water bottle? So really what this has to do with is air compression. So when you are squeezing your bottle together and forcing all of the air molecules in this bottle to the tip of the water bottle, you are compressing them together and rising the heat of the temperature in the water bottle. But when you unscrew the cap and release the air particles, they form a cloud and the temperature drops. So you can see the cloud come out of the water bottle. Some tips I have for you when doing this experiment is make sure there's a little bit of water left in the water bottle, and when you unscrew your cap, make sure you do it pretty quickly, because if you release the air too slowly, then you don't get to see the cloud. So I actually had to do this a couple times to get the results I wanted. So it might take you more than one try to get your cloud out of your bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this at-home science experiment. I want to see you guys recreate it and post a video to Randolph County to see your science experiments and how they went. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you, bye!